Are you looking to gain flexibility, build strength, and improve your balance through yoga? Then Yoga Reset is just for you. Hi, I'm Bharti, and I'm so excited to welcome you to Yoga Reset, a 21 days beginner friendly yoga program that will help you build a solid foundation in yoga. Many of you requested me for longer, more well rounded sessions that include warm up, asana, and pranayama all in one session. Well, I created this program just for you. Each session is 45 minutes of holistic yoga designed to feel like a live class. You will learn proper alignment and modifications for your level, breathing techniques to deepen your practice, and 80 plus asanas and 7 pranayama techniques during this period. By the end of 21 days, I guarantee you will feel stronger, more flexible, and confident in your yoga practice. Whether you are an absolute beginner or somebody looking to refine your practice, this program is for you. Click below to sign up for Yoga Reset today.